networking here at the college. And I'm going to go through a little bit about how our program is set up and some of the activities you'll be doing, labs and so forth. First of all, we'll talk about, of course, in here I'm going to be teaching you about theory and concepts of data transmission. But I will tell you that apart from the technical aspects, we put a really strong emphasis on doing hands-on labs.
Go. So I have an iPad here, and I've got this same class pulled up.
As an example, to start class.
And you're basically seeing the same thing you are on the screen, minus the video of the instructor. So here you're able to see the content on the screen. You're able to, just as if you're watching any other video, you've got the scrolling capability. If we go back to regular screen, you have all your scenes that you can go through right here to choose where you want to go to in the presentation. So basically, we wanted to be able to offer as close as experience to online students as we could to those who are face-to-face.
Okay, so my name is Jerry Miles. I'm the lead instructor of simulation game development. I'm also the owner of Dark Glass Studio, a small studio here in Wilkesboro. What games have we done? We haven't done any yet. Our first game is in development, will be launched this summer on iOS. Why make games? Why would you want to make games? Any entertainment. It's fun, entertainment, to make money. Well, let me tell you why I make games. Let me just throw them all up here. The final reason for me is because it's fun. I just have a lot of fun making games. But before that, I make games because it allows me to be creative. I'm one of those people that I like having creative opportunities. I like being able to do different things. I like being able to deal with new challenges. Video game making is very challenging. How do I get a job? First thing is you've got to learn the skills. The game industry is not an on-the-job training kind of job. If you don't have the skills coming in, you don't have a job. So you've got to learn the skills. You can come here, and I will do my best to teach you the skills.
And like Randy said, I'm currently employed by Cisco Systems in Research Triangle Park. Just kind of a testament to what Randy was saying a moment ago. A degree in networking really is, your gateway to the world. I've told the last two classes, and I'll say it here. We have offices in Research Triangle Park, San Jose, California, Oslo, Norway, Tokyo, Australia, New Zealand. There's nowhere where you can't go. Like Randy said, networks are all around the world. The internet is just one big, huge network, and the underlying routing protocols, LAN switching technologies can be learned here in this classroom. It's not something that the mysteries are debunked, and you actually learn with hands-on gear, physical gear. Randy also has a software-based program called Packet Tracer, which allows you to take these networks home, because some of this gear is quite expensive, and you may not, you're just not going to be able to afford it. So Cisco has provided a way to continue your studies virtually as well as physically. Another thing that I'd like to talk about is the capstone project, like Randy was going over just a moment ago. Another gentleman that was in my class, yes, this is 100% hands-on working knowledge of the technologies that you've learned through your curriculum here. We do everything from Unix to voice over IP, server virtualization, Microsoft Exchange integration, PowerShell scripting, Bash shell scripting. This is high technology stuff that you're learning here. There's really nothing that you can't do with this degree. It's a very high-paced, high-energy, fast-moving environment. You'll constantly be a student. There will never be a point where you'll plateau and say, okay, I'm not going to learn anymore. back to the 3 points that Randy was pointing out, I have earned, and I will put a huge focus on earn my Cisco Certified Networking Associate certification, as well as the associate level degree here at Wilkes Community College, plus the work experience, which is what allowed me to go from being graduated from this college for 10 days before I accepted my position with Cisco. So, are jobs out there? Absolutely. Can you get them through this curriculum? Absolutely. It just depends on how hard you want to work.